Okay, Lucas, what if I told you that two simple words can get you literally anything you want in an English-speaking country?
Anything? Like $1 million?
Well, okay, maybe not $1 million,
Ah, man. I was getting excited.
but like coffee, food, help, a bathroom. The really important stuff.
Right. The stuff you actually need every single day.
Exactly. So, welcome back to English Pod Center, everyone. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas.
And today we are talking about a magic phrase. Just two words. Can I?
Wait, just can I? That's it?
Yep, just can I. C-A-N space I.
It sounds too easy, Luna. I don't know.
I know, right? But think about the big problem for beginners.
Oh, I know the problem. You walk into a store
Mm-hmm.
and you want an apple, but your brain just completely stops.
Total panic. A blank line.
Yeah, you think, do I say give me the apple? No, that's bad.
Very bad. You sound like an angry robot.
Give me apple. So rude.
Exactly. Or you try to make a really, really long sentence, right?
Oh, yeah, like, excuse me, sir, would you be so kind as to, and then you forget the word for apple.
Yes. You get lost in your own sentence. It is too big.
Literally be on my first trip to London. It was a disaster.
I remember you telling me about that. You just ran out of the shop.
I did. I panicked. No apple for Lucas that day.
So sad. But this is why can I is so perfect.
Okay, teach me, Luna. How does it work?
It is like a skeleton key. You know a skeleton key?
A key made of bones, like for Halloween?
No. A key that opens every door.
Oh, right, a master key.
Right. Can I opens the door. Then you just add a verb.
A verb, an action word.
Yes, an action word like have, get, go, see.
So, can I have an apple?
Boom. Yes, perfect.
Wait, is it really that simple?
It is literally that simple. I promise.
But what about please? Don't I need to say please?
You can just put please at the very end. Can I have an apple, please?
Oh, I see. The please is like the cherry on top.
Exactly. Good analogy, Lucas. The cherry on top.
Thanks. So, what if I go to a coffee shop?
Okay, let's practice right now. I am the barista, the coffee maker person.
Okay, I walk in. Hello.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Can I have a black coffee, please?
Sure thing. That will be $3.
Wow, that felt really easy.
Because it is easy. You don't need big, scary words.
I love this. Can I have?
And you can use it for asking to do things too, not just getting things.
Oh, like what? Give me a quick example.
Let's say you are hot in a room and there's a window.
Okay, so I say, can I open the window?
Yes, you didn't even have to think about it.
I didn't. It just came out naturally. Can I open the window?
See? It is a magic phrase, Lucas.
It really is. But wait, what if I ask for something weird?
Like what? What is weird?
Like, can I have $1 million?
Well, the English is perfect.
But the answer is no, right?
Yeah, probably no. But the grammar is 100% right.
Okay, so it always works for asking.
Yes, but wait, there is a small problem sometimes.
Oh no, a problem? I knew it. It's English.
No, it's a very small problem.
Tell me.
Sometimes people say may I instead of can I.
May I? Like the month? January, February, May?
Yes, the same word, but different meaning.
Wait, I don't get it. Why do we need another word?
So may I is it's very polite.
Polite, like for a king?
Exactly. Or for a very angry boss.
An angry boss. I know that feeling.
Right. So you use may I when you want to be super good.
Like, may I go to the bathroom?
Yes, teachers love that.
Oh, wow. Okay. But wait, what if I say, can I go to the bathroom?
Well, some angry teachers will say, I don't know, can you?
What? Why? That is so mean.
Because literally, can means you have the power to do it.
The power? Like a superhero?
Yeah, like your likes work. You can walk to the bathroom.
Oh, now I get it. So can is about power.
Right.
And may is asking if it is okay, asking for a yes or no.
Okay, so if I ask for coffee,
Mm-hmm.
do I say, may I have coffee or can I have coffee?
Honestly, just say can I.
Really? Even if it's the wrong word?
It's not wrong. Real people use can I for everything.
Okay, good, because may I sounds a bit fancy.
It is fancy. It's like wearing a very fancy suit to a fast food place.
A fancy suit at McDonald's. That's a great example, Luna.
You know what I mean. It's just too much.
So can I is like wearing jeans and a t-shirt.
Yes, perfect. Very comfortable. Very normal.
I like comfortable, so I will just use can I.
Good choice, Lucas.
Okay, let me practice. Can I have a pizza?
Yes, you can.
Can I sit here?
Beautiful. So natural.
Wow, I feel like a native speaker already.
You sound like one. But hey, let's look at the problem a lot of people have.
Oh, the problem when you get scared?
Yes, people freeze. They get so nervous when they order food.
Yes, me too. I walk to the front of the line.
And you forget all your English.
Exactly. My mind goes totally blank.
That is why you only need to remember 2 words. Can I?
That's the big secret.
Yes. Think of can I as a magic key. It opens the door.
A magic key. I really like that.
Once you say can I, the rest is just pointing at things.
Pointing. Like, can I have that thing?
Yes, exactly. You can literally just point.
Wait, really? Like, just point at it?
Yeah, well, I mean, you have to say the words first.
Right. The magic key.
You say, can I have, and then you just point.
So, can I have this coffee?
Yes, perfect, Lucas. Literally perfect.
Wow, that is really easy.
It is so easy. People they try to make it hard.
They use like big confusing words.
Right. They try to say, I would like to purchase.
Oh no, that sounds like a robot.
Exactly, like a weird robot.
Nobody talks like that in real life, like 0 people.
No one. So Luna's rule is just keep it simple.
Okay, let's practice more. I need practice.
Good idea. Let's pretend we are at a restaurant,
Ooh, okay. I am very hungry.
but you want some water first.
Okay, can I have water?
Yes, but wait, add one more word. To be very nice.
Please?
Yes. Can I have water, please?
Can I have water, please?
Perfect. It just sounds so natural.
It feels good to say. It's not, scary.
Exactly. Now, what about a napkin?
Can I have a napkin, please?
Boom. You did it.
I am like a master of English now.
You are, and with just 2 words.
The magic key.
Okay, let's change the place. We are not at a restaurant.
Okay, where are we now, Luna?
You are lost on the street.
Oh no, I hate being lost. It's the worst.
You see a person. You need to ask a question.
Wait, I can use can I for this too?
Yes. So how do you start?
Can I ask?
Very close. Add a bit more. Can I ask you something?
Oh, okay. Can I ask you something?
Yes. And people will always stop and say yes.
Really? Just like that?
Just like that, because it is very polite.
What if I need someone to help me, like to hold my heavy bag?
Oh, that is a really good one, Lucas.
Can I say, can you help me?
Yes. Can I just changes to can you?
Ah, because the other person is the one doing it.
Exactly. I do it, can I? You do it, can you?
Wow, mind blown.
It is like 2 sides of the same coin.
Can I? Can you? It really is so simple.
Very simple. Okay, let's test you.
Uh-oh, a test. I am bad at tests.
You will be fine. You are in a store. You want to try on a shirt.
Okay, I want to wear the new shirt.
What do you say to the store worker?
Can I try this on?
Yes, exactly. You did it.
Wait, really? Just like that?
Just like that, Lucas. Can I try this on? Perfect.
Wow, I'm so smart.
You are. Okay, one more test.
Okay, give me more. I'm so ready.
You are at a restaurant.
Ooh, food. I like food.
You need water.
Okay, I am thirsty.
Do you say can I or can you?
I want the water, so can I have water?
Yes. Or wait,
What if you ask the waiter to bring it?
Oh, can you bring me water?
Boom, you got it.
It really is like what you said before, two sides of the coin.
Exactly. Both are good.
Can I have water? And can you bring water?
Right. So simple, right?
So simple. I love this.
Okay, now it is time for our listeners to try.
Oh, listener test. Good luck, guys.
Listen closely, everyone. Here is your game.
The game.
You are at a coffee shop.
A coffee shop, like Starbucks?
Yeah, like Starbucks. You want a big coffee.
I always want a big coffee.
You are so tired, you need a big coffee.
Very tired.
How do you ask for it?
Wait, don't tell them, Luna. Let them, think about it.
Right. Take a second.
Okay, time is up. What is the answer?
You say, "Can I do a large coffee, please?"
Can I get a large coffee? Perfect.
Or, "Can I have a large coffee?"
Have, get, both are good?
Both are great. Very natural.
What if they said, can you give me coffee?
That is okay, but can I is better here.
Oh, okay. Can I have is more polite.
Yes, very polite, like a nice person.
Not like a grumpy waiter.
Right, no grumpy waiters.
So can I is for what I want.
Yes, always.
And can you is for what you do for me.
Exactly, Lucas. You learned it perfectly today.
I feel like a master of English now.
We'll keep practicing.
I will, every day.
So here is a question for everyone listening.
Ooh, listener challenge.
What is the first thing you will ask for today?
Oh, good question. Use can I in the comments.
Tell us. We want to read them.
And hey, if you like this, subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe and follow English Pod Center.
See you next time at English Pod Center. Bye.